Hey Rachel, my name is Jeffrey Eisner and I am the go-to guy for some of the best and easiest Instant Pot recipes around. I'm gonna make my famous meatloaf recipe using a Instant Pot friendly bundt pan, but we're also gonna be making at the very same time in the pot mashed potatoes. And I wanna use ground beef and some ground pork, maybe some ground veal, whatever you wanna use, make sure it's about 2 pounds. Half an onion that we've grated, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, crushed or minced garlic. It's fine to use it out of the little jar, just don't tell Nona. Seasoned salt, black pepper, oregano, parsley flakes, a whole milk, ketchup, barbecue sauce. And now get in there and mix everything together real good. You see that? Nice and packed in. And now we'll just set our meatloaf aside for a moment while we focus on our potatoes. And I'm just gonna add those to the Instant Pot. 5 whole cloves of garlic to that, chicken broth. And now let's rest the trivet right on top. Rest our bundt pan right on top of the trivet. Let's take our lid, make sure that we seal it. See you in 35 minutes. Now let's make our incredible meatloaf glaze. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I can never pronounce it. Yellow mustard. Now let's go all that together. Perfect. Let's go to our oven and preheat it to 400 degrees. And the reason we want to do this is because once we take our meatloaf out of the pot, we're going to brush our delicious glaze on top and then caramelize them in the onion for a few moments while we mash our potatoes. Oh yeah! Alright, so now let's put the mashed potatoes in the center and divvy this thing up. This thing is to die for delicious. I love it.